Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to Tag Tutors, where I will be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace a compare GCSE equation. This applies for all specifications, AQA, EdXL, OCR. It doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen. Corn is one of the world's most important croplands. Native Americans grew an early form of corn called 𝐲𝐨𝐮. Modern corn has been developed by selective breeding of 𝐲𝐨𝐮 plants. Compare and contrast the use of selective breeding and genetic engineering to produce modern varieties of corn. Step 1. How many marks is the question? 6 marks. So I need 6 points. Step 2. The keyword. The keyword, what does it mean? The keyword compare and contrast. These mean similarities and differences. So essentially it's asking me what is the similarity and differences between the use of selective breeding and genetic engineering to produce modern varieties of corn. That's basically what it's asking me. So now I have to think about what do I know about selective breeding and genetic engineering. What do I know from what I've been taught? I'll start with differences. 1. Selective breeding has to be carried out repeatedly until I get what I want. But genetic engineering is carried out once. So genetic engineering, you're pretty much altering the genes. Do that once, you get what you want. But selective breeding, you have to do that over many generations. Okay, so that's the difference. What other difference do I know? If selective breeding, if I do that over many generations, that means that the offsprings of corn produced by selective breeding may not show the desired characteristics. However, offsprings of genetically engineered plants will show the desired characteristics. So that is 2 differences that I know. What other difference do I know before I move on to similarities? So if I have to carry out genetic engineering, I know I have to alter the genes. That tells me that that would be very expensive. So genetically engineered seeds are more expensive because I have to use specialized equipment, okay, to alter the genes. Now, similarities. What do they have in common? Both of them change the characteristics of corn. Okay, both of them, the main thing that you're looking for is to change the feature of the corn that is being produced. You know what you want, so you want to produce what you want based on the circumstance. Okay, so that will be one similarity. What else do I know that they have in common? I know that both produce useful characteristics in corn. So both of them produce useful features that we're looking for. That's why both processes are carried out. If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.